What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of Gotti's Garage. Today's video is sponsored by Autoone LED lights. Just a quick little description about Autoone. They have low prices, high quality products with technicians with years of experience in manufacturing research and development. In this video, they sent us a pair of LED reverse lights for our 2019 GMC Acadia. In this video, you guys are going to see if it is worth replacing your old dim halogens with some potentially really bright LED headlights from Autoone. Stay tuned to the end of the video for some giveaway information as well. Also, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the sister channel, which is called Honest Tools, and it's all about tool reviews and product reviews that most definitely will love. So let's get to the video. These are the stock reverse lights. As you can see, they are yellow. Pretty dim, pretty normal.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Look how bright those are. Alright guys, just getting out of work. As you can tell, it is dark outside, so we're gonna see if the reverse lights are any brighter, which I can already tell they are. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and put the parking brake on, check these things out. Alright, look how much brighter they are. That is ridiculous. It lit up this whole back wall. I'll show you actually. Stick to, see the back wall right there? We'll do it again. So yeah, definitely approve on that. Those are extremely bright and they're gonna definitely help out backing up. Definitely help out in the camera. And I think you should definitely go pick up some. So link in the description below on how to get one. Don't forget about our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Here is a brand new, never used, in the box, double-din car stereo with GPS, subwoofer outputs, and even a rear backup camera. Comes with everything, free of charge to you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, take a screenshot of it or a picture if you're using your TV, and send it over to _Gotti's Garage on Instagram. And then at 5,000 subscribers, one of you lucky ones will be chosen at random, and then you get to enjoy a brand new double-din car radio from Gotti's Garage.